Hello YouTube, Chachi takes back. In today's video is about how we can fix the missing icon of Realtek HD Audio Manager from our control panel, and how can we fix problems related with audio problems, which is a question come from one of my YouTube viewers. So you can type in order to see whether we have the Realtek HD Audio Manager by typing on our search box control panel. So under the control panel, hardware and sound option are available. So under the hardware and sound option, as you can see here, there is no Realtek HD Audio Manager or the audio controller in our control panel, which is, as you can see here on the internet, Realtek HD Audio Manager like this should have to appear on the screen of the control panel. So how can we fix this problem? That's the major issue. So we will use three options. The first one is checking our device manager, whether we have the driver or whether we should have to update. So let's right click on the Windows option here, and you can find the device manager, or you can type device manager under the search box of your computer. So under the device manager, here are several drivers for several equipments of the computer: batteries, Bluetooth, camera, software components and software devices. But here we need is the sound option. Under the sound option, there are several drivers, which is Intel Display Audio, Realtek Audio. This one may work for some devices, or you may need the Realtek HD Audio Manager, but that option is not available here. So you can check for this one if it's working properly. First, we will check the properties. So when we see the property, this device is working properly as the device status indicates. But let us check whether an update for it or not. So driver, under driver option, we have update driver. So here we have two options for updating our drivers. How do you want? So search automatically for driver. So under that, it searched whether we have an update. So the best driver for your device are already installed. So let us check whether it appeared on our control panel or not. So let's check the control panel. Okay, let's open it from the beginning. Control panel. So under the control panel, hardware and sound, where we are not seeing the Realtek HD Audio Manager. So let us check by Windows updates. So one of the problem may be related with drivers is our outdated Windows. So we should have to check on our search box whether we need a Windows update. So check for update. When I click Window Update, as you can see here, Windows Update available. So Windows Update, as you can see, you are up to date. So you may ask for check for update if your computer is outdated, or if there will be some driver changes. But as you can see here, you are up to date. So we used two options: the cross-checking the device manager with driver, as well as Windows Update options. Okay, the third option will be installing the Realtek HD Audio Manager from the beginning. So in order to do that, you should have to remove the Realtek HD from your computer. So you should have to remove it from the program and features, which is under the control panel. Under the control panel, you should have to remove the Realtek HD Audio Manager under uninstall a program. So as you can see here, there is no Realtek HD Audio Manager, but if you have here Realtek HD Audio Manager on your program lists, you should have to uninstall the file following the steps of uninstalling any program. You can uninstall, and you should have to restart your computer. And after you restart your computer, you should have to check whether the file is available on your device under your operating system list, which is my operating system is on local disk C. and under the program in files you should have to check whether the Realtek is available or not. As you can see here under the program files, you here Realtek is available, so I should have to delete this file from my computer. So let me delete. Okay, it's removed here. And program file 86, so Realtek, there is no Realtek file. So let us download the file from the internet. So here I have two sites on related with drivers, which is Softipedia and as well as the station drivers. These two sources are, as far as I know, they are the reliable sources of driver options. So we will see from these two sites, we will see one of the site, and we will download it, we will install it, we will see how we can have the Realtek HD Audio Manager on our computer. So both of them have which is driver options from Windows 2003 up to Windows 10. On the Softipedia you can click and you can download, and also on the station drivers they launch based on a versions, which is, as you can see here, 9071.1 version, and also the other 65, 50, 57, 24. So versions will be launched every time. So let us download the recent version of Realtek high definition audio from the site of station driver. I will put the links on the description below, so you can use either one, which is maybe you can download from Softipedia or from station driver. For this video, let us use station driver. So here, Realtek high definition audio, this one is the recent version, so let us click on it and download the file, which is, as you can see here, it says download. So after we click the download option, as you can see here, duplicate download, I already download this file. Then okay, then open folder. So under the open folder you can find here Realtek HDA 9071. So this version is already downloaded in my computer. So the next step is installing or opening the compressed file and finding the setup. So when you open this file, you will see setup inside the computer. So when I will start the installation, maybe sound and some options will be limited because of the installation of the driver. So I will use my phone in order to show you the progress of how we can install this file. So I will use my phone's camera.
So as I have said, I'm using my phone's camera to record the video. Sorry for the quality. It's because it may limit the sound options on my computer when I'm installing this driver. So how can we install this driver? First, you open the Realtek HD version, which is downloaded from the station drivers. So when you open this compressed file, you will have options of several things or lists. So here, as you can see here, setup, which is setup exe, is the file. So you can double click on it and it will take the setup from the compressed file, and it may take some time to take the setup and install to start the installation in your computer. So as you can see here, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. So you can proceed, and it starts preparing the setup. So it's preparing the setup to start the installation. So as you can see, maybe it's visible, Windows to install Shell Wizard for Realtek audio driver. So we will click next and remove. As I have said earlier, you should have to remove the original Realtek HD audio drivers in your system and reboot the system. You should have to restart. If you have such drivers on your computer, you should have to take the drivers, or you should have to uninstall, and also you should have to remove from your operating system files. So the next step is installing. Then next, then it starts the installation progress. As you can see here, Realtek audio driver is configuring your new software installation. So it's installing the file, so it may take some minutes. So here we go, it finished the installation progress, and it's asking us to if we want to restart or if we want to restart it later. So for better results, you should have to restart once again after installing the file. So yes, I want to restart my computer now, and you can click the finish, which is it will restart. So after it will restart the computer, it will directly open like this. So welcome to the install shade wizard for Realtek audio driver. So you should have to click next. So after the restarting, it will directly take you to the Realtek HD audio manager installation progress. So when we click the next, it will restart, it will proceed to installing the file once again, and it will finish the progress of installation. So as you are seeing here, it's progressing to install the file after restarting our computer. So it's installing the file on our program files of our computer. So it may take some time to finish the progress of the installation. If you follow all these steps, I'm sure it will work on every computers. And once again, I'm sorry for the quality of the video. It's because of the installation process of the sound on the computer. I may not access my computer's microphone or other sound related activities. That's why I'm using my camera. So after it finished this installation, it will directly works. Okay, we finished the installation process. As you can see, the install shade wizard complete, and the installation wizard has successfully installed Realtek audio driver on our computer. But finally, it's asking another restart for our computer. So we will accept the yes, I want to restart my computer now, and we will finish finally the installation of the Realtek HD audio manager. And next time when it will restart, you will find the Realtek HD audio manager in order to fix all your problems. So let us proceed to restarting our computer once again. So finish. As you can see, it's restarting. So finally my computer opened after restarting. So let's type here control panel. So here the control panel option. So under the control panel, we will check whether the Realtek HD is appeared or not. So hardware and device, yes, we have the Realtek HD. It's because an advanced version, it says audio control, but it have the same function as Realtek HD audio manager. So it's all about Realtek HD audio manager. If it is helpful, give me comments, and if there is a problem, give me comments on the comment box. Thank you. Chachi takes out.